Bharat, the land of history, heritage, and honor. It is different from all other nations because of its rich culture, spiritual awareness, and history that lives forever. Bharat has excelled in almost every field. From technology to economy, India has shown its brilliance. But this is not new. The historical civilizations and powerful dynasties have long ago proven that India has the capability to develop in all spheres on its own. The biggest example is the Indus Valley civilization. It is the most ancient and extensive civilization known to mankind. The striking feature of this civilization is the advanced urban planning and infrastructure found in old cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These cities had sophisticated sanitation and advanced drainage systems even at that time. Trade and art had also flourished during these times. Seals made of steatite have been found with inscriptions that are undeciphered till date because the people of Indus Valley had a writing system unique to them. Then came the classical age, the golden period, with rulers like Mauryans, Guptas, Cholas, and Shungas. All of them have contributed and influenced the line of history and added flavor to the rich ancient culture of Bharat. The Mauryan Empire established a centralized system of administration, forming political stability. They are also a key figure in the promotion of Buddhism. The Guptas, another major group of rulers, brought the wave of Hinduism, which was continued under circumstances where they supported other religions as well. The Shunga period was marked by great art and architectural works. The great stupa at Sanchi and other sculptures of Buddha are remembered even today for their sculptural magnificence. And when we talk about art, the Mughal dynasty cannot be ignored. The architectural wonders like the Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar are remembered even today in Delhi and Agra as major landmarks. Now, the continuation and preservation of culture is a very tough and challenging task for any country, and especially for a diverse one like India. But the sons and gurus of our nation have taken the responsibility to keep it alive even today. In today's time, the spiritual masters of our nation have contributed majorly in instilling values like kindness, gratitude, harmony, and peace in the people of Bharat. These people have also emphasized the importance of yoga, meditation, and mindfulness, as mentioned in our old Vedas. Yoga actually has many health and mental benefits like increased concentration, reduction in stress, and better sleep quality. Many ancient gurus in our texts like Gautam Buddha, Guru Nanak have also spread their ideas of enlightenment and knowledge by spreading them to people. And these ideas shape not only the past but also the present generation. India's rich tapestry of culture and art is the evidence to Mark Twain's statement that nothing has been left unturned, either by nature or by man, to make India the most extraordinary country the sun passes by with its rounds. Thank you so much.